Pocket 4 full auto, literally full, like you cannot get any more auto than what we're in now. To the point where I haven't even got a wireless mic attached because, yeah, I want you to hear how everything's sounding straight out of the camera, which I'm not sure if today is the best idea, the best day to test that idea out, because as you can see above me, I don't know if you can, but yeah, the storm is coming. It's gonna be windy. So if it gets extreme, then you know what, I will pull out the wireless mic. But for now, everything you're hearing and seeing is in literally coming straight out of the camera in full auto. Now, when you're in full auto, you cannot adjust any of the audio settings, which I kind of get, but I kind of think that it would be good to be able to, yeah, turn wind, noise reduction, whatever it's called, on. But then I don't know whether it automatically turns it on because it's obviously in full auto if it detects like wind. I don't know. Anyway, the other thing is, in full auto mode, I'll be honest with you, I personally think we have a slight issue. Not a slight issue, a bright issue.
If you look back straight and see a crooked line, don't you worry, love, give it a little time. It feels like everything is running past you fast, and you watch the sand slipping through your hands. I know it's hard, but that's okay. You're gonna make it out today, and they'll follow you everywhere. We'll make it through the dawn. We will get out of here, but baby, we'll never part.
I think that there is a face priority thing on. I'm like nearly 100%, like there's nothing in the menus to say like turn it on or off or turn it down or whatever. But if I look at my face on like the Pocket 4 compared to other cameras, like even the Pocket 3 or even on my iPhone, you know what? Let's get my iPhone out. Probably might need to switch to my iPhone permanently because it's raining. Right, so this is how my face is looking on the iPhone. And even looking in the screen, right, that is basically the color of my face. Look at the difference between the Pocket 4 and my iPhone. And like both are in full auto, like obviously on the video app on the iPhone, it's in full auto. Yeah. So, I think we need to have it toned down a little bit, because like for me, I'll be honest, like this is like verging on like horror movie filter vibes. Like, oh, it's a speck that just came on the lens. Oh, I need to find cover. Hold on, bear with me. All right, we're safe-ish for now. I just can't get Pocket 4 wet. Like, if you know, you know. I just can't. Anyway, back to business. So yeah, so I think, you know what would be good if we had the option to like tone it down, so it's like level high, level medium, level low, or off, because I just think it's too much to the point where it's making skin tones look unnatural, as you saw in the side by side with the iPhone in full auto. Like, it's just too much. I think it's doing a great job considering I'm literally covered by a tree right now and my hat, so essentially it's like full shade. So bravo, but it's too much. Like I said, to the point where it's making things look unnatural. And this is the case when you're in pro mode in the normal color profile. The only time the face priority thing seems to turn off is when you're in D-Log, which is what I've been shooting most of my stuff on now, which is what I said, the same thing I said on the Action 6, because that thing does the same thing with the face priority thing. But obviously shooting in D-Log is slightly different than shooting in D-Log M. So not everyone might want to do that, which is why it would be good to have like, yeah, a leveling option. Yeah, I mean, it's not the worst. Like, the whole thing is not, is it? That's not the worst. I don't know. I don't know if I'm being too dramatic. I just, you know, when I took it out of the box, I like, the first thing I thought of in my head is, please do not have a face priority thing on like you do, like they added with the Action 6. And when I took out the box, the first thing I saw was a yellow box that appeared around my face, which now, I'm not 100%, I'm like 95% that yellow box has nothing to do with the face priority. That is the focusing box. I don't think that is the face priority box. The reason I say that is because when you're shooting in D-Log, that yellow box still appears, but the faces are not bright, like it's not, the face priority thing's not on. Therefore, that yellow box is not like the face priority, is to do the focusing. Anyway, if you want to take the Pocket 4 out of the box, put him in full auto mode without any wireless mic, this is what, let's get my friend in the background in, this is what you can expect him to look and sound like.